forgotten where you put a document? You aren't the only one. Early in my career as a personal assistant, I'd be busy creating documents only to find that when I needed to access the electronic version, I'd forget what I called it or where I stored it. As a result, I developed my first system. I started by giving each document I did a number, putting that number and a longer description in a physical notebook and placing that number in the footer of my document. It printed out on every page, which meant it was easy to find the document if I needed it. As technology evolved, software has made just doing this so much easier. Now, all you need to do is insert the file name and path in the footer of your documents. Whilst it might seem simplistic, a lot of people just don't have a system. IDC did research in 2001 that estimated knowledge workers were spending roughly 2.5 hours a day, or around 30% of their workday, searching for information. From an organisational perspective, we've evolved with sophisticated electronic document management systems. However, I still see people struggling to locate documents they need regularly. Do you have a system to make it easier to locate your documents in moments and not minutes? If not, consider setting something up. The cumulative benefit of saving 5 minutes a day multiplied by 5 days a week equates to 25 minutes a week, or almost 2 hours per month. What would an extra hour or two in your working day enable you to do?